Everyone, today we are going to discuss enthalpy of atomic or molecular changes. So first of all, enthalpy of ionization. Now ionization process is endothermic process. So for example, consider the conversion of gaseous sodium atom into its gaseous ion. For that we need to supply certain energy and to remove electron to convert this gaseous atom into the gaseous ion. Now for this purpose, the amount of heat supplied recorded is 494 kilojoule per mole. Thus 494 kilojoule per mole is the enthalpy of ionization of sodium. Thus enthalpy of ionization is conversion of 1 mole of gaseous atom to the 1 mole of its gaseous ion at constant temperature and pressure is known as enthalpy of ionization. Now the reverse process is electron gain process, which happens to be exothermic. Now secondly, enthalpy of atomization. Enthalpy of atomization. Now atomization process is the decomposition of molecule into its constituent atoms. For example, consider 1 mole of chlorine molecules. So 1 mole of chlorine molecules, when heated strongly and decomposed and get converted into the gaseous atoms of it, then for this purpose we need to supply 242 kilojoule of heat per mole. Thus 242 kilojoule per mole is the enthalpy of atomization of chlorine. Thus enthalpy of atomization is the enthalpy change in a process of conversion of 1 mole of molecules into its constituent gaseous atoms. Now next thing is enthalpy of solution. Enthalpy of solution. Now in order to prepare a solution, we need to dissolve certain amount of solute in a fixed volume of solvent to get a known solution of known concentration. For that, for example, consider let 1 mole of NaCl is dissolved in a fixed solvent to prepare 1 molar solution. Then the enthalpy change in this process, then enthalpy change is 4 kilojoule. Thus 4 kilojoule per mole is the enthalpy of solution of NaCl. Now another very important thing is enthalpy of dilution. Now dilution process is the process of converting a solution of one concentration into the solution of another concentration. Now consider 1 mole of HCl, 1 mole of HCl gas when dissolved in 50 moles of water, that lead to the formation of a solution for which the enthalpy change recorded is minus 73.26 kilojoule. If we are willing to dilute this solution again up to infinite dilution, then what we need to do? We need to add certain water to that. Now, if the excess water is added to the gaseous HCl, then the addition of water, I mean solvent, should be continued until no thermal change takes place. Thus, HCl gas, when dissolved in large excess water, we are doing infinite dilution right here, then we would receive HCl aqueous solution, and the enthalpy change for this process recorded is 75.14 kilojoule. Now the net difference comes minus 1.88. Minus 1.88 kilojoule is the net difference. Thus, the enthalpy change in the diluting this solution, that is solution of HCl in 50 moles of water, to the solution which is prepared by infinite dilution, is 1.88, and this is nothing but the enthalpy of dilution. Thank you very much.